Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are using Monday.com or you are thinking about trying it in 2025, this video is for you. Today I am sharing my best Monday.com tips and tricks to help you work smarter, stay organized, and get the most out of this amazing project management tool. Whether you are managing a team, planning your own task, or running a business, these tricks will save you time and help you get more done. So grab your coffee, open monday.com, and let's jump into it. So first of all, we are going to talk about use template to save time. So tip number one is the start with template instead of building scratch. So as here you can see, we are already landed into the Monday platform. So I will create an account here. So I'll click over here to the get started. Once I click over here, it will take a couple of minutes, and here I'll go with the Google. So this is the first one, like initial work you just need to be complete. Once you've done, then you will go to the dashboard. So when you complete, then we will redirect us to the step one. So here let's complete the task, and here you will get to see you just need to choose your things. And let's say we are going to do with this one business owner. Just click to the continue, and how many people your team? One. How many people work at your company? 1 to 19, and then only me, and just click to the continue and select what you like. They are asking a couple of questions to us, so I will click on continue. I will select all of them and just click continue, and online search engine, and just click to the done, and it already been complete. So when we will arrive into the dashboard, then we will start our conversations again. So we just need to keep patience here. So as you can see that it will take a couple of minutes to the complete, so let's be patient here. So here actually you can see they are asking for the first project. I will give the name will be the first, and then just click to the next. Once you click over here, from that page they are asking us to select all of them. I will select all these are in here and just click to the next. And this is the work management, so I will add this also: task status, task owner, task due date, and all, and just click to the next. Timeline, Jan, you can choose what view you want as a layout. Just click to the next and just click to the get started, and it already been completed. So now let's talk about the use template to save time. So basically monday.com has hundreds of ready-made templates for almost every industry, from project management and content calendars to CRM and HR tracking. When you create a new board, just click use a template and browse the library. Pick one that choose or close to what you need, then customize it to fit your workflow. Templates save your hours of setup time, and they help you see best practice for organized tasks and status, also the columns. So in the tip number two, we are going to talk about automate the boring stuff. Monday.com's automations center is super powerful in 2025. So here if I click on that platform fresh, or if I click to the more, you will get to see template center. And if you want to make it automatic, you just need to click over here to the automate, and here you can set up rules like when a task is marked done, move it to another group, or when a new item is created, assign it to a specific team member. You can even send automatic reminders or status updates to your team in Slack or email. This means less micromanaging and more time to focus on real work. Now let's talk about tip number three is to make the most of different views. Boards are not just about the standard table view. Monday.com lets you switch between multiple views to different needs. Try the Kanban view. Like let's go through here. You can see this is the layout right now. So if you want to change the layout, you are allowed to change it as it you want. You can use the Kanban one. You can use many other template here. You just need to drag and drop across columns, the timeline view for project planning, or calendar view to see your all deadlines at a glance. So you can even set up a dashboard view to Slack or track your entire project progress in one place. Then you can switching the views can make complicated project feel a lot clearer. So now let's talk about the tip number four, that integrate you with other tools. Here you can see we have this integrate plan. So if I click over here, then you will to see this one. So Monday.com works best when it talks to the rest of your tech stack. Head to integrations at the top menu and connect apps like Google Drive, Slack, Zoom, or Outlook. For example, you can attach Google Docs differently to a task, get Slack updates when statuses changes, or automatically create Zoom meeting. This cuts down on switching between tabs and clicks everything you need in one place. Now let's talk about tip number 5, that is use color coding and custom labels. So Monday.com lets you customize status columns with your own color tables and labels. Use bright color, clear colors to show task status at a glance, like green for done, red for start, yellow for in progress. You can also rename labels to match your team's language. For example, you change working on it to in review. Its clean, consistent color makes your boards less overwhelming and way easier to manage. Now let's talk about tip number 6, is break big task into sub items. Sometimes a task has multiple steps or mini tasks inside it. So here, instead of cluttering your board with too many rows, click on a task and add sub items. You can give each sub item its own owner, deadline, and status. This keeps everything organized while still showing the big picture. Now let's talk about the use advanced search filters in this tip number 7. So if your boards are busy, filter are your best friend. Use the filter button to show only what you need, like tasks assigned to you, task due this week, or only tasks that are stuck. You can set filters to reuse them anytime. For big teams, this keeps everyone focused on what's relevant to them. Now let's talk about tip number 8, that try the mobile app. So don't forget, Monday.com has a powerful mobile app also. You can check your boards, update status, and reply to comments right from your phone. This is super handy if you're traveling, working remotely, or need to keep up with projects on the go. Make sure your team knows they can update things instantly. No more excuses for I did not see the task or I have no idea about it. So that's it for today. Now actually you know clearly that your Monday.com tips and tricks for 2025, and you will can apply it for your work on your board also. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like our video and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to share with your friends to know the tip and tricks about this Monday.com.